Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2024 Genesis G90, the Korean automaker's flagship luxury sedan. The G90 has been completely redesigned for 2023, and it's now more than ever a serious contender to the likes of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8. So, let's buckle up and take a tour of the 2024 Genesis G90, inside and out. Exterior. The G90's exterior is both elegant and athletic. It has a long, low profile with a wide stance, and it's dominated by Genesis's signature two-line headlights and pentagonal grille. 2024 Genesis G90 exterior. I particularly like the way the taillights wrap around the sides of the car, giving it a very distinctive look. The G90 is available in a variety of colors, including the stunning blue that you see here. There's also a long wheelbase version available, which adds an extra 4 inches of legroom in the back. Interior. Now, let's step inside the G90's luxurious cabin. The first thing you'll notice is the high quality of materials. Everything from the leather seats to the wood trim feels top-notch. The front seats are heated and ventilated, and they have a massage function that will melt away your stress on even the longest drives. The rear seats are just as comfortable, and they have plenty of legroom, even in the standard wheelbase model. The G90's tech is also impressive. It comes standard with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 17-speaker Lexicon sound system, and a head-up display. There are also a variety of driver assistance features available, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Driving. The G90 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 375 horsepower or 409 horsepower with an electric supercharger. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it provides plenty of power for both city and highway driving. The G90's ride is smooth and comfortable, even on rough roads. It's also surprisingly agile for a car of its size. So, what do I think of the 2024 Genesis G90? I'm impressed. It's a luxurious, comfortable, and powerful sedan that can stand toe-to-toe with the best in the world. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that offers value and performance, the G90 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.